Alright, YouTube, King here, coming at you with another project. I've been waiting to get this project on the road, and I've gotten a lot of stuff done on it. This one goes into the car audio folder. You guys have not seen the Navigator for a while, and that's because I've been quite busy on the Navigator. It's going to be a full build log, except for the gutting of the vehicle and, you know, some of the framework that I'm about to show you guys in a minute. But hopefully you guys will stick with me through the whole thing. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that little bell down there so you know when I'm uploading new videos, so you guys can keep updated with the newest content I'm releasing. But this is the biggest audio build I've ever done so far, and this has been a long time in the coming, guys. But here's where we're at so far. Take you guys around. Alright. This is where I'm at right now. I want to show you guys this for the longest time. Fuse these together. There we go. But you guys will have to stay tuned to find out what speakers are going in here and what this build is for. Alright, but as you guys can see, this is a big build. Not no weak metal here. Alright. Take suggestions along the way. Anything, any input of any kind anybody would like to add. Nothing's criticized. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now, guys. I'm not gonna cut anything up tonight, so probably wearing something different than what you guys see in this video for the rest of this video. But yeah. Jesus Christ. Shoot me a spark. Yeah, you guys have seen my doors. I still have them, and I haven't done anything with them yet because I haven't got any of this done. So this is going to be my motivation. Yes, there will still be more supports added down there, and other various areas in the vehicle there'll be supports added. So there's still a lot of stuff to add. Yep, this is where she sits at right now. You guys are about to watch me finish this from where it's at till the end. So let me get some steel set up and we'll be right back.